So now let's see how we can work around with Screw Modifier Properties inside of Blender. So to do that, first of all, I'm going to add in a curve right here. So I'm going to go to curve and then I'm going to add in a bezier just like this. So I have a curve just like this. So now I'm just going to, let's say, modify this a bit right here. That's it. And I'm going to, let's say, revolve this around. So I'm just going to go around and revolve this thing around right here. Let me just keep it right here so that this is the center point. So once I select this, I'm going to go around over here onto the modifier properties right here. And then on the add modifier section, I'm going to go around and then simply screw this around right here. So once I screw this around, I can choose the axis that I want. And this is what I have, as you can see right here. So now this is the screw, and then in order to work around with the properties on the right hand side, you can see that there's the screw property right here. So you can work around with the angle of the screw right here. So if I were to click and drag this, you can see that it overlaps itself. But if I were to bring down the angle right here, you can see that it seems as if it is wrapping itself around right here. So it is using the angle right here to determine how much it wraps around. So let's say, for example, if only it's 180 degrees, then it only wraps halfway around right here. 360 is a full round, just like this. So I'm just going to go around and say 180 right here. And another thing that you can do is you can screw this out. So you can pull the front and end right here, just like this. So it actually screws around, as you can see. And then you can work around with the iteration, that is, it makes it repetitive so that it actually turns like a screw, as you can see right there. So that is what you can do. So another thing that you can do is the screw viewport. So you can decrease the level of detail right here, just like this, or increase the level of detail to make it more smooth. So make it like less smooth right here, or increase the level of detail just like this. Another thing that you have is mirrors. So mirrors is seen. So I'm just going to go around into one right here. So you can see that this thing is pointy. If I were to turn on mirrors, and let me just say 360 right here, and I'm going to not screw this anything, and you can see that this is much more smoother. So you can see that without mirrors, it is actually separated out right here. But once I choose mirrors, what happens is that it merges out the end right there. So that is something that is done right here. So iteration is one, just like this, and there you go. So you can go around and work around with these. You can also increase the amount of mirrors right here, just like this, and it merges out more area of the screw area. And that is how you can modify these screw modifier properties inside of Blender. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.